Marami sa atin dahil sa higpit ng pangangailangan ay piniling magtrabaho ng 2 o minsan higit pa just to make ends meet. They earn a lot most of the time. Ikaw ba naman may 2 trabaho Doble kita mo. And the extreme need to do it made them do it. Yung tipong wala nang choice. And that is the sad part. Mataas talaga ang cost of living dito. Pagtungtong ko pa lang dito, higit 2 years ago na-shock ako. Sa mineral water pa lang nila, $2 na for just 230 ml lang. Basta product na galing US in general, mas mahal sa Pilipinas. Kaya for those who are planning to work here, I suggest na do thorough research about kung kakayanin ba ng salary offer mo ang cost of living dito. Madami naman mga videos dyan for every specific state here in the US or sa Canada, Europe, Australia man. We have to make sure na worth it ba yung paglayo natin sa Pinas. Makakapag-ipon ba tayo? Mas magiging masaya ba tayo? Madami kasi akong naririnig dito na kwento na naiipit na sila dito dahil sa kaliwat kanan na bills, and that is what they call rat race. Meron nga akong nakausap dito na puti, and may remark siya sa akin na may halong insult para sa akin. Sabi niya, Filipinos are vying to get a job here for what? To enter a trap? A trap of the rat race? Well, iba-iba naman tayo ng sitwasyon and current status. This does not apply to some people who really are in financial trouble and desperate. So, I'm glad I don't have to get in 2 jobs. Anyway, galing naman ako sa hirap, and I know yung feels na tinitipid. Kaya I know how to live below my means to save for myself for financial troubles in the future. When I first entered here, malinaw sa akin ang pakay ko. Sinabi ko sa sarili ko na hindi ako habang buhay dito. If I were to work 10 or 20 years here, that would be too much. So I have to do something extraordinary. To do extraordinary things in life, kailangan naka-laser focus, laser sharp. So if I will do 2, 3, or 4 jobs at the same time, mawawalan ako ng time sa sarili ko na hasain yung sarili ko. Mawawalan ako ng time na mag-focus para ma-leverage yung sarili kong skill and earn more because of that. Yes, doing 2 jobs at a time will give a higher pay, but it will make me mediocre person. Magiging hindi ako ganun kagaling sa chosen field ko. Para sa akin, life is too short to not do what I want in life. Alam ko yung pakiramdam ng napipilitan lang. I just wanna do things that I really wanted to do for the rest of my life. So, if you are watching this and you are trapped financially and are resorting to multiple different jobs, you need to make an exit plan. Or else, you will have to work more years. I mean, you will work more miserable years. May iba naman, meron akong na-meet noon sa Pilipinas during his college. He was working as a student. Working student siya. He had 2 part-time jobs while working at a young age. Yung 2 work niya related naman dun sa field niya, dun sa tinutumbok niyang karir. So after he graduated, nakatulong yung mga skills na yun na nakuha niya from doing those. And he was so thankful na nagkaroon siya ng multiple jobs nung nag-aaral pa lang siya. In that case, that is an intelligent move. He just used his employment opportunities to get the skill set that he wanted to. And he grew because of that. It made him multi-millionaire today. Siya lang naman yung may-ari ng isang IELTS review center sa Manila. And up to this point, hangang-hanga talaga ako sa kanya. So thank you very much sa panonood ng aking short video. You can check out my other videos related to abundance mindset in life. My name is Alvin, by the way, and thank you very much.